Hi guys! Today we are going to be making woolen leaf flowers. These are the cutest flowers for spring and for summer. I am just going to be making a couple of flowers today, and then in my next video I am going to show you how you can add these flowers to a really cute creation to make a flower leafy garland, and it'll be super duper cute. So if you want to check that out, you can check my next video out. But today we are going to be needing, I'm using size 6, so super bulky yarn in yellow and white. You can use any two colors you want, but I just love how these two turn out and how it looks when you reverse it as well, having the yellow in the center. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do it. So to start this project, you're going to want to start with a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring, I have a really detailed beginner-friendly video also that you can watch. It'll be linked in my description, and that'll show you how to make a super easy magic ring. But for now, we can just get into what is the next step. So first, we are going to do 12 single crochets into the ring. Grab your yarn, pull up, grab more yarn, pull through 1. Just gonna continue 2, 3, 4, and if you hear any sounds in my background, it's my cats. They're crazy. 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that we have 12 single crochets, I'm going to pull a little bit and take my hook out just to make this process a little bit easier. Now we are going to close our magic ring, and that is just by pulling the tail. Now it's all nice and closed. Now this is when we are going to be fully closing the ring. We're going to do, we are going to be doing a slip stitch into the very first chain. So I'm going to count and help you find it. So 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So we're just going to insert our hook, pull through, and we are not going to be yarning over and pulling through. We're just going to be creating a slip stitch, so we are just going to pull through again. And I like to pull it really taut, and this will complete your circle. Now we are going to be doing a color change. It's super easy to do a color change if you've never done one before. So I am just going to take my tail and I'm going to hold it and then wrap it around my hand. And we are just going to act like it's just a part and pull it through. And I like to pull on the long string to really get it in there. Now to start the petals, we are going to be doing 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and we are going to be doing almost like a double crochet bobble stitch type of thing into the next chain. So we are going to yarn over, go into that next stitch, grab yarn, pull up super high, yarn over, and then pull through 2. And we're going to repeat that 2 more times in that same stitch. Yarn over, go into that same stitch, grab your yarn, pull up really high, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go through that same stitch, grab your yarn, pull up really high, yarn over, pull through 2, and now we're going to move on to the next stitch, we're going to continue yarn over, go through that next stitch, pull up really high, yarn over, pull through 2. We're going to do that 2 more times. Yarn over, go through that next stitch, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Pull up and yarn over. Or pull through 2. Now you have all of these loops on your hook. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow, that's a lot of loops. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of them. And now I'm going to pull it taut. Pull, pull, pull. Now we are going to just slip stitch or chain, whatever you want to call it, and pull really tight. Now we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And we are going to be doing something a little bit tricky. So pay close attention. Through the back, I'm going to poke my hook into that second stitch where we did the other half of the petal. I'm going to yarn over, pull my thread through the back, and you see it, and I'm going to pull through. And pull really tight. And you are just going to repeat all of those steps all around to create 6 petals. So I'm just going to speed it up. It's all the same all around. Now that you're at the very, very end, we are going to just cut off the tail. And pull. And we are going to make the knots with both of the colors. So I'm going to start with the white. And cut it. And then with the yellow. And now you're thinking, wow, this looks a little janky. You are just going to puff out each petal. Ooh, got some dust or some fluff. And there you have it, your woolen leaf flower. If you want to see how I'll show you. If you want to see how I make some leafy flower, leafy garland type project, that will be in the next video that I will be posting tomorrow. You will see how I attach it and how I make all the leaves and the vine. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out the video. Thank you guys so much for watching if you made it to the end of the video. If you liked it, please remember to like and subscribe, and if you would like more tutorials like this or any tutorials, please comment down below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!